Yes guys, in today's video we're gonna see how to make a Facebook post private. So I'm gonna over to my Facebook and I'm gonna make a post on Facebook. So I make a test post and you see I can type, I can tag people with this sign and also here of course. I can add a place, but I also can make my post private, so it's set not in public. So in the section above you see album and you see my Instagram connection and you see who can see this post. Your post may appear in a feed, on your profile, in search results and on Messenger. So I can set this post to public. It's now on public, so well, everyone can see my post. I can put it on friends, your friends on Facebook, so your friends on Facebook only can see this post. You can put it on your friends except, so you don't show to some friends the post, and specific friends only show to some friends. So that's a tiny difference between those two, and you can set it completely to private to only show it to yourself. So for example, I choose friends and I get the list of friends except, and I can choose what friends not show this post. Okay, this was it for today. Please subscribe to my channel and see you next video. Thank you. Goodbye.